Welcome to the Aliexpress Competitor Research tutorial. So here we are on the dashboard, right? We are here in the Market Insights tool, and then you look at this spy icon, the Competitor Research, you click, and once you do that, up here on the left side, there's Aliexpress, and then you click here. And once you found the store that you want to look into, you either copy the store name or the store ID, come back here and paste it like this and search. So now we have all the information here. We have the active listings, the sold items, the sale earnings, the total feedback, the successful listings, the average price. You scroll down here, you have the image, you have the title, you have the shipping, you have the rating, the reviews, the sales, the price, and then you can analyze the store looking like this. You see all the information, the seller's name, the country, the total feedback, the date the store was open, the communication, item described, and the revenue. And you can also save this product here directly on the folder. All right, you choose your folder and click Save to Folder. And then you have one more button here, which is to scan on eBay, which will scan this title on eBay product research. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please contact the customer support. They'll be happy to help you out. Have a good day.